everyone, we're back here fishing, and today the temperature's around the 70s and it's very windy, so we're gonna see what we can do. Caught a fish! Nice! Oh my god! Yes! He's fighting very strong, and I could see him. I'm pretty sure it's a big peacock. Oh my god. Look at him. It's a male peacock bass. And yeah, it's a pretty decent fish. And yeah, it's not that big. It's actually pretty small. But it has a big hump on its head. That means it's a male peacock bass. And guys, remember, it's breeding season. Now, I will release it. Got a fish here in this new spot. Here he is. It's a peacock bass. We had to move from the other spot because it was very windy, it was very bad. But look at this tiny, tiny peacock bass that we caught. Look at it, it's covered with spots. It has a small ring in its tail, at the end of its tail. Yeah, now we're gonna release him. Here he is. Peacock bass. Now I'm gonna release him. There he goes. Another spot because we had to move. Here he is. Nice. Nice. He's small, but yeah. Guys, we had to move for the third time. And guys, we caught another peacock bass. Look how small he is. Look at him. Now we're gonna release him. Well everyone, that's it for today's video. And to wrap it up, it was a pretty slow day because there was a lot of wind and the temperature was very low. So we had to move to 3 different spots and we only caught 1 fish in each. So hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't done it yet and leave a like. And guys, we'll see you in the water.